GLC AMG E-Performance, the new model, oversized box. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it with our delete kit and our mounting system. Let's get into it. So you see this box? This is the factory number plate mounting box that you get from Mercedes, but one problem. It's way too big and it looks a bit stupid. So we're going to get rid of this and replace it with this. All you got to do is just take out the screws you see and it just pulls straight off. Okay, we've got the box off. I've got the delete kit. Now you've got to line this up with a factory hole. There's two little forky bits. Line on the bottom so it's straight. Put it in the hole and then mark it out with a Sharpie. All you need to do now is put the screws in. The kit also comes with little blinking plugs, so you can cover up this and this hole. Now that we have a plinth on, we need to choose our bracket. Now, this is a two-part mounting system, meaning you need to get a correct bracket to suit your number plate style. So if you have slimline, grab a slimline bracket. We're installing Victorian heritage plates. So I've got some heritage plates here, bracket, which I'll put on, and then the plate can go on after that. There you have it. That's how you get rid of the oversized mounting box on the GLC AMG E-Performance. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.